The OpenCart gift card extension boosts sales and satisfaction with easy, flexible digital gift cards. Effortlessly create and manage digital gift cards from your back office. Multiple templates and customizable gift card designs for a professional look. Deliver gift cards via email or PDF directly to recipients. Track usage, balances, and redemption history easily. Boost customer engagement, loyalty, and repeat orders. This is module understarting video of OpenCart Gift Card Manager. So here we are proceeding further to first install the module. To install the module on the OpenCart store, you should have logged in with your FTP details. Then, on the right side, you will have a correct directory of your store where you will find files like admin system, image catalog. On the left side, you will have a file folder where you have installed the module. So go on the directory where the module is installed. Move under the file folder. Here you will find the upload and OSIMO, two types of folders. Then you have to move on to upload, select all the files, and make sure to drag it to the right side where the same file name is present. Once you would drag the files, the file will start overwriting to them, and once the installation is done, you have to move on the test store. Then you have to go on the installation tab. Here you will find a button of upload. You will click on it. It will redirect you. So once you have done the installation from the FTP, you have to go on the installer tab. You will find the upload button. You have to click here. It will redirect you to the locals. So you have installed the module. You have to move on the modification tab and you have to refresh. Once you would refresh, the module will be activated for your front end. Now go back to the extension tab. Make the filter of the modules. You will find the module of the gift card here on the extension listing. Here, you have to install the module. You will click on the installer and you have to click on the edit button. Then you will redirect to the general settings page. Now this is the module backend where you have to configure the module completely. So, proceeding further with the same, the first field says that disable the module in case you will enable it. The module will be activated for your store. Disable the header link. If you will enable it, the gift card header link will be enabled. Here, if you will enable this field, the module left link will be enabled. Link will be enabled for the footer as well, if you will enable the disable footer link. Now, disable the account link. You have to make it enabled so that the My Account section would have the gift card tab. Now, if we want to allow the personalized photos while sending the gift card, then you can keep it enabled, else keep it disabled. Here, you can change the prefix of gift card, which is being shown to the PDF. Then the order status on which the order will be given, on which the gift card will be given, the voucher will be shared to the customer. The minimum gift card delivery cap, after how many days that gift card will be sent to the customer. Once the order is placed, you have to choose the payment method that will be disabled for sharing the gift cards. Here, fixed amount status. If you wanted to enable this, then you can enter the fixed amount that will be shared in the gift card. Also, you will have a functionality to give the amount in a range. The maximum range could be from 1,000 to 1, between 1 to 1,000. The user can enter the customized amount to share the gift card to their respective users. Once making every configuration, you have to click on Save, then you will have a success message, like you have modified the configuration settings. Now go on the email settings. Here you will find the emails and the subject email for the user who has received the gift card. When the gift card amount is being redeemed, when the order is being placed, every email setting is being mentioned here, so you can change the content and the subject, whatever you require. Then we are having the PDF settings here. You can make the changes in the PDF that will be sent to the customer. Then we are having a cron setting where the cron listing will be given. You can manually run the cron from here, or else you can make the setup for automatic. Then we are having the design setting tab where we have given the predefined 3 types of setting: default, Christmas, and New Year. You can select any of them, and if you have selected Christmas theme, you will have a below 2 fields. Choose the design. Here the predefined 3 designs of Christmas theme is given. You can choose any of them and click on Save. Once you will click on Save, it will save the details and give you a message of you have modified the configuration settings. Now next tab we are having is gift card template. To create the gift card template, you have to click on Add icon. The form will be enabled, and here you have to fill all the mandatory details. In case you left any of the fields, it will show you a validation while saving the template. So first is template title. You have to enter the title, enter the description, template name. So this is the gift card images tab where you have to create the images first. Then those images will be needed to create the template. To create the gift card image, you have to click on Add Icon. Once you will click, you will have a form to create. Here we are having a type, which type of image you wanted to create, upload, personalize, or create the using background image. If you want to personalize, you will have a field to upload your image from your locals. If you are using the create using background. So let's first choose to create using background images. If you have selected the background images, then you can change the image name, image text, background images, and background color. So first is the image name. You have selected a sample text. Image text is a dummy text. The image background here, you can select whatever the background you require. We are having a pre-default template for the background image. Then you can change the background color as well, the text color as well. And you can keep this image enable or disable. So once you have created, click on save. It will show you a preview like this. And then you should get save. As you can see here, the listing of similarly, we can create the many other templates for the images. Then we can use this. So the image that we have created is saved. And then we are creating the gift card template. Here we have uploaded the image that we have created. Now you have to add the template keyword. You can create the new keyword. Also, the predefined keyword will be listed here, so you can choose the same. If you click on Add New Keyword Template, so here will be a pop-up. Here you have to enter the template name. We have saved this with the wedding. Now we can add the wedding keyword. We are allowing for the gift card, physical gift card, virtual gift card. And enabling this, we are having a one language only. So we can select the one only. If you are having the multiple images, and you can select the templates according to the images. Which template is going to display in which language of the store, in case of someone is using in the French language. So only the French templates will be given. Now let's check how it is visible on the front end. This is a gift card's image that will be shown. So here we have created multiple templates, which will be visible like this. This is a left side menu, left side link. This is the header link of gift card that we have enabled from the general setting. Now go on the My Account section, log in with an account. Under the My Account here, we are having a gift card tab, so you can purchase any of the gift card. Here we are given the 3 options: print by yourself, or send by email, or the virtually. So here, you have to enter the sender name, recipient name. You can choose the personalized image you wanted to share with your customer. Then here, you can enter the personalized message, and you can choose the amount which is not fixed here. So click on Add to Card. You will be adding a product to the card. Then you can proceed to purchase the same. Once the purchase is finished, you have to match the order status accordingly. You have set in your general settings. Then only the cron will run, and the gift card will be shared to the customer who has logged in. So you have updated. This is the order that you have been placed for the Merry Christmas. This is the complete order status that is being mapped. So you have to add history. And then since we have done the print by ourselves, so that will appear in the My Account section only to the customer. Go to the My Account. Here you will find your gift card. Go on the purchased gift card. And here you are, having the listing of the gift card you have purchased. This is a voucher code. You can copy and use it as a coupon code. The amount is being used. This is of the $500. So you can purchase a product at $500 for free from the store. So let's proceed to purchase this. First on the card page, apply this. Click on Add Certificate. Checkout. Make sure to have the complete checkout process, so that in my absence you will get the discount of $500 from the total amount of your product. Similarly, you can do the purchase with the send by email as well, if you have selected this Valentine. Now, select the send by mail. Here you have to enter the email where you wanted to send this. You have to select the date. Automatically, the voucher will be sent when the cron will run, if you have set the date and the setup of the cron. For the personalized image, we have uploaded an image. This is a personalized message. It's not required, so we have chosen the amount and click on Add to Cart. Yeah, this is the Gift Card Orders tab. All gift card orders placed by users are listed here. You can see the most recent order along with the email details. For every order, the order date and status are shown. Once the order status is updated to the required stage, the user will receive an email containing the voucher code, which can be used as a discount. Now we are having such a Halloween theme, so if you want to change, you can change the themes for the static or the slider, so to add on more images in it. So click on the plus icon. There will be a form to upload the image. The correct size image will only be uploaded so that it will be shown in the given frame. Else, the UI will get distorted if the image size is wrong. So this is how the gift card manager works on OpenCart store. Thank you.